Hey folks, how's it going? Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing all right. Kind of a really quick one as well, as we did yesterday. First thing I saw when I logged onto my system was Boris Johnson's farewell speech. So, catch you sometime, sir. We've got the OPEC yesterday. I mentioned, there was a rumor they were going to cut 100,000 barrels. Well, guess what? They cut 100,000 barrels. We plopped above 90 over here just really quickly before pulling back and now trading back, trying to, well, basically buyers are trying to go for it, but then it went straight, trying to get back to 88. Well, analysts were saying this is largely symbolic, the 100,000 barrels a day cut from October, because they were having a hard time trying to basically meet the quota, production quota in and of itself, even now going into the meeting, but uh, symbolic as in they're just trying to support prices, trying to tell the market, hey, if you guys keep selling the market, we will come in, we will support the market, we will make do with more cuts and stuff like that. We can basically. That's one. But at the same time, I'm thinking, okay, this plopped up 2% yesterday with the rumor that they were going to cut 100,000 barrels. Well, guess what? That happened. Those who bought from the lows, whatever 86 is, look at this beautiful, what do you call this, baseline over here. If you bought anywhere near here, that's a brilliant, brilliant day for you. Guess what you're going to do? You get the 100,000 barrel cut. This is what you call every time for traders: buy the rumor, sell the fact. All right. OPEC sources are usually communication from OPEC itself. They're just putting, flying monkeys, as it were. So that's one. Second, uh, China came in saying, China top policymakers are saying, okay, we are going to start basically accelerating infrastructure spending. Why is this important for the global economy? It's because, as we can see on copper today, we have had quite a decent breakout. Okay, we saw this, and copper is well known to be a not say a precursor, as in terms of globally raw materials. Because if China's buying copper because they want to build stuff, there's going to be more jobs, economy is going to start picking up, and all these things. So, understandably, they're huge as a consumer country. They're huge. So if China's spending, that benefits a lot of people in terms of international trade, right? So the more people have money, the more people buy oil. So this is also good for crude, which is why copper prices are seen as a huge risk sentiment indicator for global demand for risk. Just in case. So why I say the crude price, okay, it dipped above, just pulls back, as potentially profit taking. Similar thing happened to this market over here. This nasty, nasty dollar. So plopped above, touched 110s, turns around. So we're now in a bit of a profit taking scenario, right? So pretty clear stuff. Break below. If this doesn't push through, I'd be worried for any shorts. So you can kind of see like a break, and then it just doesn't really go anywhere. Retest, goes back above. You'll know that, yeah, that this is just traders taking profit. Basically, no one wants to short this. It'd be absolutely insane to try and short this. Big money shorts at 110s, a level we haven't seen since. I mean, it might take a while. We might see a really nice pullback, a really decent pullback before a baseline gets settled, before the buying can then restart. That's it from me today. Pretty quiet stuff. Only US PMIs coming out later on. Tomorrow we have trade data, but the real coup de grace for the week will be the ECB rate announcement on Thursday. Apart from that, we have the Eurogroup meeting on Friday, and also the European Emergency Energy meeting. All right, so keep your cards close to your chest. No itchy fingers or whatnot. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the Discord room. Cheers, everyone.